Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Iron Man in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you all the items you need to choose to create this outfit. Alright, first of all, you need to color your skin red like this color, and then you're going to choose all these items. Start from this Sabrina Carpenter item, and then you're going to remove the kiss and select toggle 2 and combine it with this dress. You can change the toggle to 4, and this item from the petal update, you're going to make it this color, this red color, and combine it with this color. Basically guys, I choose this red color from the color palette, and then I also apply this color. Okay, you just need to combine the red color and also this color for this Iron Man. Okay, and then this item from the world culture update, and you can color it like this. And then this top, you can remove tail, so you can choose no tail, and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and then put on this necklace from the Valentine's update, make it this color, and this bracelet, make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then put on this helmet, you're going to color it red for all the selection, and this mask. For the mask, you're going to make it this color, and you're going to do little adjustment for the position only. And then this hat, make it red. And for all the items guys, you can change the material to metallic, except this eye mask. For the eye mask, you can make it neon. Okay, and then this earphone, make it red color. And then this stocking, make it red. This gloves, make it red and remove the fur. And then this item, you're going to make it this color and then adjust. And then you can choose toggle 1. And then for the material, make it metallic, this one. Okay, and then for this eye mask, you're going to make it this blue color and make it neon. Make it neon like this. Okay, and after you have put on all the items, you will have this look, and then you can use it for maybe superhero theme or any cosplay theme in Dress and Press. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.